Today, I'll guide you step by step through unboxing and assembling the Hidoes B3 e-bike. The process is simple, and in just around 30 minutes, you have this stylish bike ready to hit the road. Let's get started. Start by taking the accessory bag and setting it aside. If you're assembling the Hidoes B3 by yourself, the simplest way to remove it from the box is to gently slide it out like this. After you've unpacked everything, begin by removing the front wheel. Cut the zip ties holding it in place and set the wheel aside for now. Inside the accessory bag, you'll find a small bell, an optional half throttle, assembly tools, a user manual, a battery charger, a mini foot pump, aluminum pedals, and the rear light. Align the handlebar stem forward and tighten it using the 4mm hex key. Next, use the 5mm hex key to remove the stem cap. Carefully position the handlebar, making sure the cables stay untwisted. Once aligned, reattach the stem cap and loosely tighten the two screws. We'll fine-tune the handlebar position later. Now, connect the display cable by aligning the two arrows as shown. Use the 10mm wrench and the 5mm hex key to remove the screw. Slide the front fender into place, position the headlight above the fender and carefully tighten the screw. Ensure the headlight is aligned forward. Now, let's install the front wheel. Begin by unfolding the kickstand for stability. Remove the temporary axle and take off the plastic covers from the wheel. Carefully slide the wheel into place, ensuring the brake rotor is properly aligned. Insert the quick release skewer. Then add the spring and nut on the opposite side and tighten. Adjust the tension and lock it securely in place. To install the front brake, remove the plastic protector from the caliper, then remove the two screws. Carefully position the caliper over the rotor. Tighten the screws and spin the wheel to ensure smooth movement. If you notice resistance or noise, the brakes may need adjustment. Loosen the two screws shown, align the brake caliper, and ensure the wheel spins freely before giving the screws a final tighten. It's pedal time. The pedal marked L goes on the left side. Screw it in by hand counterclockwise, then tighten it with a 15mm wrench. Do the same for the right pedal, but screw it in clockwise. Get on the bike and adjust the handlebar to your preferred riding position. Then tighten the screws securely. Adjust the display position and place the bell. If allowed in your city, you can install the half throttle. Remove the right side grip. Place the throttle and spacer ring, then push the half grip into place. This may require some effort. Once everything is in position, tighten the half throttle using the 3mm hex key. Connect the cable by aligning the arrows and adjust the cable length. Next, adjust the left brake lever and gear shifter for comfort. Ensure the front wheel is aligned and check that all screws and bolts are securely fastened. Adjust the saddle height and install the rear light using a screwdriver. Inflate the tires and check that everything is functioning smoothly. With everything set, you're ready to hit the road and enjoy your brand new Hidoes B3. Thanks for watching and happy riding!